I'm Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Christmas Sparkle Home Tour collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Pure Elegance by Kim, Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, At Home with Lisa, Z9 Designs, Jean Home Decor and more, Barbie Daily, Rural Life in the Valley, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of these participating channels and other participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them all out for design inspiration. Don't forget to check out all of the participating channels listed below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.